Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hello, how are you guys?
So we are doing something a little bit different today on the show.
We are not baking.
We're not baking.
We're not baking because it's summertime and I have been craving salad. I love salad, and you?
It's okay.
He doesn't really like salad.
If it's a salad, it has to be something with not a lot of dressing, not a creamy dressing or anything.
He's got rules for salad,
I do.
people. But here's the thing. The other night he was like, I think I found a salad that I would like. And I was like, what? What? This is very exciting for me.
It's true.
You guys, I had a mini parade in the kitchen. I was like, he wants to try a salad. I got so excited. Okay, so tell him what it is.
Okay, so we made a cranberry walnut apple salad.
It was so good. We had it for dinner. I was like, babe, I know it's not baking, but I think people would want to know the salad. Can we make the salad on the channel?
I hope you made the right choice because that's what we're doing.
It's so good, and we get to have it for lunch today.
Oh yeah.
Which I'm really excited about.
Very exciting. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to make the dressing. So here's what you'll need to make the salad dressing for the salad. 1/2 cup apple juice, 3 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons honey, 1/4 cup olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper.
1 large apple cut into cubes.
So this is one of the easiest things in the world to do. Once you have all the ingredients set, it's just mixing the salad dressing together.
Let's mix that salad dressing. Let's do it.
Take the apple juice, apple cider vinegar, honey.
Honey, please, if you make it, will you tell us? Because I need to know that you love it as much as I love it.
I know, the dressing is just, it's so simple and tangy and fresh.
So good.
I love it.
Like, I can't wait. We're going to Texas and my mom is gonna love this. I can't wait. We're gonna make it with my mom.
All right, so the olive oil, and just go ahead and put the salt and pepper in. Whisk that together.
Watch me whisk.
The next thing you'll need for this recipe is 1 apple cut up into little pieces. Now, we really like to use Indie apples.
They're tasty.
Just our preference, but use whatever apples you want. You can even use a pear if you'd like.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah.
All right, so add the apples.
Okay.
Now I'll tell you why we add them now. You want the apples to really absorb the dressing. So stir the apple cubes in the dressing. You know what? We let them sit in here for a few minutes. Just let them really soak up that dressing.
All right, so we'll go ahead and just set this aside for now. And next we're going to make the salad. Okay.
Super exciting.
Super exciting. You want to get like a big dish or bowl to toss the salad in.
Oh, and guess what? We have one thanks to our friend Busy Phillips.
Thank you, Busy. We're using it.
We're already using the bowl you got us.
Yep.
Love it. So here's what you'll need for the rest of the salad. 6 cups of a spring mix salad. 1 cup of walnuts, roughly chopped. 1/3 cup dried cranberries. 1/3 cup of crumbled feta cheese. All right, where are we at?
Let's get to work here. So I'm just gonna pour all the lettuce into this big bowl.
Go crazy.
Yeah, the walnuts, cranberries.
Cranberries.
And then the feta cheese.
Okay, so here's my one thing.
Yes.
I don't really love walnuts, but this is such a huge compromise that Josh liked the salad. So when we have it for dinner and stuff, I just shove my walnuts to the side and then Josh just keeps reaching over and like grabbing my walnuts.
I love the nuts. I mean, that's what kind of makes a salad for me. It's like the walnuts. You could actually use pecans too.
And I just push them to the side. Josh didn't know what these were. He was like, what are these? I said, they're salad tongs. We got them as a wedding gift.
I thought they might have been serving spoon things.
Anyway.
Anyway, they're very big. So this is a big bowl.
I'm just excited because we're using a lot of stuff from our wedding.
This is actually something that you're probably better at than me. You want to do it?
Sure.
All right.
Here's my tip for tossing salad, babe.
Yes.
You can't be too rough.
Okay. Gently.
You have a heavy hand sometimes when you're so used to mixing things in the kitchen.
Wow, I'm learning something new today.
Stop it. You're totally making fun of me. Also, the fancy tongs are kind of hard to toss with.
All right, now we'll just add the dressing and mix it all together.
Okay, this salad looks amazing and is ready to be served.
The salad's gonna taste good no matter what, but to make it look even fancier, just add a little extra of the walnuts, cranberries, and cheese on top, and it'll make it look like professional.
I would bring it to your house just like this, but Josh likes how things are displayed.
I do. So actually we're gonna transfer the salad into this bowl, and then we'll sprinkle the stuff on top, and it looks amazing. It just really makes it look so much nicer. Look at that.
It does,
right?
it does.
Am I right? Isn't that great?
It does look nice. It does look nice.
It looks nice.
I would not have done it, but it does look nice.
And we have some salad to taste here too.
Yes, let's do it.
This is our lunch.
Oh, it's so good. I love this dressing so much. We also had it at dinner one night, and we had a rotisserie chicken, and Josh chopped up the chicken, and we put chicken in it.
Yeah, that was delicious too. It's kind of like a Waldorf chicken salad at that point, but it's very good.
Thank you guys so much for stopping by. We hope you love this yummy, delicious salad. It's so great for summer. If you make it, let us know.
Yes.
And we have our giveaway coming up. We are shooting for mid-July to do our big summer giveaway. A few companies have donated items for the giveaway, so I think it's going to be a really fun one.
It's going to be good. You're going to love this.
Yeah, it's going to be good stuff, and we will have more details about it. Next week, we're baking again.
We are baking again. Next week, we're going to be making homemade Oreo cookies, so we're super excited. The kids love them.
The kids love them. They've been asking for another batch. She's already made 2 batches. So they were a big hit here, and we hope you guys are having a great week.
All right, bye guys.
Have a good one.
Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hello.
So, we are doing something
I started talking.
Stop
It's
it.
my fault.
Stop it. We really like indie apples.
So say the whole part
okay.
again. This dressing is so good. I'm just like licking it off the thingy. Sorry.
I wouldn't recommend that if you're serving a lot of people. Maybe. You're way better at tossing salad than I am.
I don't know. That could be, that's what she said. I don't know. Because I'm not sure what it means. But I feel like I've heard it as a dirty thing.